What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we are going to be unboxing the all-new Turin electric pour-over kettle. This kettle is coming in at $149, and currently at the time of this video, it is on sale for $99. This kettle is precise, stylish, and a powerful solution for all of your hot water needs. Crafted for coffee and tea enthusiasts alike, this electric kettle features a sleek stainless steel body, precision temperature control, and a quick heat up time to deliver a seamless brewing experience. Its ergonomical handle and gooseneck spout provides precise pouring control, essential for pour-over coffee and a delicate tea preparation. With a temperature range that allows you to customize to the exact degree, this kettle ensures perfect water temperature every time, whether you're preparing a delicate green tea or a bold French press. Built with safety features like automatic shutoff and boil dry protection, the Turin electric pour-over kettle is designed for efficiency and peace of mind. Compact and elegant, it's an ideal fit for any kitchen countertop, combining form and function in one beautiful appliance. Perfect your pour, enhance your brew, and elevate your daily ritual with the all-new Turin electric pour-over kettle. Now come with us as we put this kettle into action. Watch as we pull our delicate shot of espresso, which in this video we do a 1:2 ratio, so we do 18 grams in and 36 grams out, and we finish by pouring our water over to make a lovely Americano. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.